Okay, this is typical day at 1 o'clock, feeding time for the puppies. So let's check the puppies out. They're all just munching away. Let's show you one by one. This little puppy over here. Hello. I've got the littlest puppy just here. Little cutie. This little puppy. Oh, aren't they so cute? Ouch! Ow! Ow! Ah! Puppy attacking me. Get away from me. Okay, let's show you the mummy. Hello, mummy. This is Starla, the mummy dog. As soon as they see her, they're going to be trying to suckle her in her titties. But because they got sharp teeth, she doesn't like it. Come on, Starla. Okay, puppies. You gotta give mummy some food. Oh. Come on, Starla. Starla. Come on. Starla. Starla, come here. Oh. Starla, come here. Starla. Starla. Oh! Oh! Camera! And this is what it's like on a day-to-day business, living with a dog and all her puppies. Starla! Starla! Starla, come here!